When you debug a VueJS application, all you usually need is to see a list of components which are currently on the page and to see data and props of some of component. VueJS have awesome development tool, but it's also heavy. It requires you to do a lot of actions, a lot of clicks to navigate to component you're looking for, and it doesn't work with production builds. As alternative, you can use InstaVue. InstaVue is a browser extension that shows you all components on page in just one click. And you can click on component you're looking for and to see data and props immediately. If you work with some component more often than with other, you can just add this component to favorites. And next time you activate InstaVue, it navigates you directly to favorite component. With InstaVue, you can work with production build, same like with development. You can see the full structure of the page and you can see data in component you're looking for.